Good morning. Today is Tuesday, 28th November 2017. We will done haircut soon, okay? Just one left, and so after that we will continue for color.
Yeah.
It's the 20th anniversary. How does it hold up?
I mean, it's the greatest movie ever made with the worst dialogue in the world.
What do you mean?
I mean, the dialogue is bad. Half of it is Jack and Rose just saying Jack and Rose to each other. And then the other half is just like sensational special effects and water and people running and trying not to die. And it's almost like completely self-aware that it knows exactly what it is. It's super cheesy, it's super dramatic, it's super sensational.
This is my guy.
And Leo, my
No,
boyfriend.
I talk with my video.
I didn't know you guys were still together.
I mean, it's pretty, we don't like to talk about it publicly, but I'm going to do it right now.
Heidi Donahue, what's the next good on your list?
I mean, last week, Rihanna came out with the lip paint from her Fenty line, thus making Fenty, to me, one of the greatest things.
So this is Rihanna's line of beauty products.
Correct.
It's now one of Time's top 25 inventions of the year.
Yes.
What makes this makeup from Rihanna so special?
I mean, first and foremost, she's actually, like, included everybody in her line. I mean, like, she has made products for every skin tone, which is very rare, because in makeup and beauty especially, it's like white complexions rank above all others, and so she has actually created a line for every skin tone that suits every skin tone, which is massive. It's so important and super cool.
Well, that makes sense. That's how Time's named it one of the top 25 inventions of the
Yeah,
year.
isn't it bananas though that it took till 2017 for that to be an invention? Exactly. Yes.
So how much of this has to do with, obviously this is all very good, but like, how much of the success of this has to do with that it's by Rihanna?
I mean, Rihanna's name has some massive clout, obviously, especially because like she's been very smart. She's been branding herself since she appeared like back in the like in the mid to late 2000s. She had lines with River Island. She worked with Puma, which has now turned into Fenty by Puma. She's likened her name and her face to certain products, and they always seem to like boom a little bit.
She's very careful about what.
Very careful too. She's not just like
She's not gonna do Subway.
No, she's not like an Orange Julius like coffee milkshakes. Although I would do that.
Well, if Orange Julius, if you're listening, sorry, Mr. Julius.
Mr. Julius or Dr. Julius, we don't know.
So that's our two goods. What's our bad?
Here's the thing about the Victoria's Secret fashion show.
The Victoria's Secret fashion show airs tonight on CBS News Local
That's
TV. That's not something you
I mean, listen.
I want to make book an appointment with you for my daughter.
Yes.
Perm or color?
Color.
What time?
She's got long, really long hair. I don't
She
know.
long hair. She will bring her own color, right?
Yeah.
Okay, she will.
It's not like they're modeling this thing to get.
What about tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock?
At 1 o'clock?
Yeah, you can come for perm if you want. It should be done. If you come by 1, it should be done by before 4 o'clock. Both of you perm and color.
Can you do Thursday?
She's not involved. She's
Yes, afternoon.
In the afternoon?
Yeah, if you want, you can come tomorrow if you want to.
Do you have anything like
great.
evening?
And also it's like
No, for right now I have no perm and color or haircut anything on Wednesday afternoon and Thursday afternoon or
high-end fashion.
Friday morning and Friday afternoon. I'm okay if you move that time. What time do you want to come?
Other models as well. Do not look like Victoria's Secret fashion.
Thursday in the afternoon at 1?
Pop culture.
Yeah, what time?
Like confetti sort of
1?
celebration.
Yes, at 1 p.m. Tomorrow or what day it is?
Thursday.
Like,
Thursday?
you're free
Yes.
to do this. If you want to do this, go for it at the same time.
Okay, I will book you at 1 tomorrow, right? Thursday,
Thursday.
Yes, for whatever.
13 for haircut or?
Haircut and color.
Really great performances, and last year the weekend performed after he broke up with Bella.
One of the Victoria's Secret models.
You bring your own, right? Color?
Yeah.
And so I mean, listen.
Okay, you bring your own. Bring your
And I
own.
think it's also like the Bachelor effect, where you watch something to like, I don't want to say hate watch because I want to take them all.
And,
I do like to say.
If you want to perm, you can come for perm. I have my perm.
Watch something
Okay.
like that.
Yeah, you can.
Create your dialogue.
It need to be 1 week after you color.
Absorb it.
After a week?
Yeah, have 1 week.
Okay.
You cannot do perm and color the same time, the same day, or you have to 1 week after.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You can think you will color first or you want to perm first.
Okay.
If you want to perm, you perm and you color after.
Okay. I'll ask her.
Okay.
Is this the
Yeah,
back door?
you can go
Can you go
there.
up that one?
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it.
It was hung out.
Nice day.
About a week
You
ago,
think your hair is
I was
okay?
breaking bad
Not short,
in
not-
the middle of the show.
Goes back,
Because
eh?
the interview
Just a little bit out.
BBC Radio Act.
It looks
And
good.
the reason I'm telling you that is not to plug the podcast, is because his latest film, Last Flag
You know, I don't
Flying,
think we'll go for the
is a very
color.
particular type of film. Let's see if you
You
can
want
tell.
color?
No.
Why?
I just think I'll do it on my own.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a few.
Like,
This looks
like
like
you
it's
should
gonna take a little
add
longer to get there. What you gonna do? Strap the coffin to the roof of your car? Can't do that.
Old man, look at my life. 24, there's so much more. So that's a little bit of the film Last Flag Flying. Based on that clip, what kind of film is that? I'll give you a hint. It features a mission, a bunch of characters in a car, a little Neil Young, all the ingredients for a classic road movie.
nice.
You know what I mean when I say
You
road
like your
movie?
haircut,
The kind of film
Yeah,
where
it is.
characters
Looks nice.
literally hit the road. It's not literally hit the road, but they get in the car and drive somewhere on a quest. They gain some kind of new perspective while they're traveling, like The Grapes of Wrath or Trans-America or Little Miss Sunshine. Actually, speaking of Little Miss Sunshine, I'd like to take a minute to just remember an amazing character actor who played a mechanic in that film, Julio Oscar Machoso, who died over the weekend. 62. Long list of film and TV credits, including Little Miss Sunshine, so I'm going to point him out. But like I was saying, road movies are a very specific genre. To get a sense of what makes them so memorable, we reached a guy named David Laterman. He teaches film studies and is the author of Driving Visions, Exploring the Road Movie. Here he is with
How long will
your
the color
gateway
take?
to road film.
Pardon?
How long will the color take?
I have to add your hair about 25 minutes and watch it. You can, if you don't want to color, you don't have to color.
No, I just think we'll do it non-color today anyways.
If you like your haircut, I can
Just the cut.
just the cut.
Late 1960s as a kind of distinct genre.
I can make your haircut to be chocolate if you want to. I use
No, it's fine.
you like that, right?
I like it like that.
The idea of the journey. What defines a great road movie for me is one that brings to bear some kind of critique of society or critique of conventions. Somebody is going out on the road,
You like this way?
driving or
Yeah.
train
No,
or
just back
walking
like
or
that.
through all kinds of means of travel.
But,
To kind of
do you have any cream that I can
Yeah.
put on?
and also move towards something. As the cliche goes, it's sort of not so much about the destination, but about the journey. It's about what happens along the way and what happens while you're moving. If you've never really thought about road movies or you're not sure if you've seen one and you're kind of interested in checking them out, I highly recommend starting with ideally both the Bonnie and Clyde from 1967 and Easy Rider from 1969. Those are two seminal road movies that came out at the height of the counterculture and work really nicely as an introduction to what a road movie is. So Bonnie and Clyde, of course, is a period piece about the
Are you going to Christmas supper?
and the,
Where
infamous gangster
It's
couple.
at the community center on 4th Street.
I will go sometime. They give the ticket for me, so I can take video also at that day.
Frustrating.
Then what?
I can take the video.
Meaningful.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
It gives you a really good sense of what a road movie feels like, while still being kind of familiar to the typical gangster genre. with Easy Rider, a couple years later, you're kind of fully in a brand new territory, pun intended, where, these two guys, and that's important too, we have two buddies driving together on motorcycles because many road movies feature a buddy or a couple behind the wheel.
I'm just putting it on there, just put some yellow on it.
I mean, it just doesn't make you. It just changed direction and went right off. It's fine. Just don't out of your mind, man. Oh, yeah, like I'm stoked, man? But like you, I saw it that way.
So with these writers you have with these two guys who are explicitly part of the counterculture, they want to take off and rediscover America. I think the tagline is something like they went in search of America and couldn't find it anywhere. And there's much more of a meandering quality. It has much less plot in a way. And I think really kind of sets the bar and the framework or the paradigm for what American independent road movies will look like and feel like in its wake. Then in the 1980s, when you're in the full-blown blockbuster Reagan yuppie era, road movies return, kind of reborn with much more diversity. There are a lot of sort of Hollywood comedy road movies that come out. I'm thinking of films like the Cannonball Run films that might be late 70s, and Planes, Trains, and Automobiles.
Hold it over here.
Probably too long.
The one is there, the one is there.
No, I'll show you.
A lot of other comedies that kind of trivialize the road movie to